Wow, my people, Dancehall skilla there again, Big up, respect and manners to each and every one. My people, I got information that more than 20 bodies have been found so far on land that is located within Kenya. And it is said that a person who is said to be a pastor was arrested, and allegedly he told persons who are said to be his followers to fast to death. A person who is said to be a police chief or police said that more shallow graves have yet to be dug up on the land. And it is said that the pastor was arrested within the month of April over links to what is believed to be cultism, viewers and subscribers. So listen to this now, see? Now, I also got different information as to how many bodies had been found, total, the viewers and subscribers. But if you want, you can ask me in the comment section, as I will leave a comment or comments to let you know what I know, if possible. All right? Because it is said that 4 people died after they and others were discovered starving at a place that is located within Kenya. It is said that the pastor is a person who preached in church and all them kind of things there. So it is said that is a tip-off from members of the public led police to the raid of the pastor's property. And it is said that they then find at least 15 people in a certain condition, including 4 who died at a certain location. So it is said that the followers said they were starving on the pastor's instructions in order to meet Jesus. Now, it is said that the pastor goes by the name of Paul Mackenzie. And allegedly, it is said that at least one person refused to take food from rescuers. And that the person behaved in a way that indicated that the person wanted to be left alone or left to die. It is said that the pastor have some followers or persons who believe in his words. And please bear in mind that this is an ongoing investigation, viewers and subscribers. So if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video, or if I post a video about an update about anything at all. Yes, what I say. And if you have been watching Dancehall skilla channel for some time now and have not yet clicked the subscribe button, please do so and click the notification bell also so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Alright? Now listen again now, see? The person who is said to be a pastor had been accused of being involved in a thing that some people call cult or cultism. So it is said that this is not the first time the pastor had been approached by police or arrested, viewers and subscribers. May I say, and based on some information that I got, it seems as if you have quite a number of people who do not agree with certain things that the pastor had been accused of doing, or the pastor himself. So may I say, viewers and subscribers, and I also got information that this whole cult thing is not the first time there had been news put out there about cult happening within Kenya. So one more information we get about the situation is that police had been told that there were dozens of shallow graves and digging started on a certain day, viewers and subscribers. As I say, my people, want to think about that the information there. It not really surprised me because me get information about a situation like this before, but it really and truly have me thinking as to why some people just do certain things out of certain types of beliefs. You see me I say? Yeah, my people, them things are not normal in my point of view. I just me I left it now. Big up and respect to each and every one.